So hello students, yesterday we have studied about the exception in non-metals. Now today we will study about exception in metals. Okay. So there are many metals that have some exception in comparison to all other metals. So I am writing their names. First one is sodium. Its sodium symbol is Na. Okay. Then potassium. The symbol of potassium is K. Writing it down. Then lithium. Then mercury. Then lead, gallium, caesium, bromine, etc. Okay. So now these metals have something different in comparison to all other metals. Okay. Now we will study about them one by one. So first of all, sodium, potassium and lithium. NaKli. Okay. Sodium, potassium and lithium are की जगह पे can. Now what will be the written here? We all know that all the metals are very hard, that we can't break them easily. If we hammer them, they can be converted into thin sheets. But these three metals, sodium, potassium and lithium, are so soft that can be cut by knife. Means we can use a knife to cut them easily, whereas all other metals have to be hammered multiple times for a long time, so to be broken into two separate parts. Okay, so this was sodium, potassium and lithium. Now second point is mercury and bromine. Mercury and bromine, these two are also metal, but these are different from other metals. Why? Because all the metals are found in solid state, but these two metals are found in liquid state. Are found in liquid state. Okay. Next one, mercury and lead. Mercury and lead. We know that the metals are good conductor of heat and electricity, but mercury and lead are bad conductors or poor conductor of heat and electricity. Okay, so these three differences I think you have understood. Now the last one is gallium and caesium. Gallium and caesium. We have understood, we have read that all the metals have very high melting point, and that's why diamond was exception in non-metal, because it was having high melting point. Now here gallium and caesium, these both are metals, but they have very low melting point, have very low melting point. Okay. Now one more point I would like to add about mercury, that mercury is found in liquid state. It is a poor conductor of electricity, but it expands. Mercury expands on getting heat. Okay, so these are the exceptions about metals. I hope you all have understood. If you have doubt, you can ask it. Thank you, class.